Experiencing a black screen on the Spectrum TV app? It's often due to HDCP or HDMI issues. HDCP is a technology that prevents unauthorized copying of content, requiring a secure handshake between your streaming device and your TV. HDMI is the cable standard used to transmit audio and video. Problems arise from incompatible cables, outdated firmware, or devices that don't fully support HDCP. Spectrum uses HDCP to protect premium content, so a failed handshake results in a black screen. The Spectrum TV app actively checks for a stable HDMI connection and HDCP compliance during playback. Let's fix it. First, ensure your HDMI cable is certified for HDCP 2.2 or higher, especially if you have a 4K TV. Try a different HDMI port on your TV. Check if your streaming device's firmware and the Spectrum TV app are up to date. On mobile, ensure location data permissions are enabled for the app. For Roku or Fire TV, check device display settings for HDCP options. If using HDMI splitters, try connecting your device directly to the TV. If casting from a mobile device, enable HDMI Ultra settings if available. Still having issues? Contact Spectrum support and provide your device details and steps you've already tried. Persistent troubleshooting often combines hardware checks with software tweaks.